Hey, what's good guys? Welcome to Cooking Made Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make air fried chicken breast. It's really fast, simple, and quick to make. So if you want to make it, watch the video, follow along, and yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, well there you have it. This is the air fried chicken breast. It took less than a half an hour to make, really fast and easy. I tossed in some cauliflower rice and broccoli on the side because I'm on a keto diet, so gotta keep everything low carb. But yeah, that's the dish. If you guys like what you see today in the video and you want to support the channel, give me a like, a subscription, and a thumbs up. I really appreciate that, and I will see you in the next video.